Welcome to AI Verpack, the ultimate YouTube channel for all things artificial intelligence. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of AI and share the latest advancements. Don't forget to subscribe and support our channel to stay updated with our engaging videos. Together, let's shape the future with AI. I introduce the first artificial intelligence capable of generating images. First AI tools that you've got to try out is available online. Just search for lexicon.art. Lexicon is an AI art generator that can create a wide range of artwork based on your prompts. It's similar to MidJourney or Stable Diffusion, but much easier to use. All you have to do is click on Generate, then get started. Once you've signed in with your Google account, you can enter any description or prompt for your artwork. For example, I wanted to see a tiny lion swimming in a teacup. You can also adjust the canvas dimensions before clicking Generate. In just a few seconds, 3 completely original and unique art pieces are created based on your description. One fascinating feature of Lexicon is that you can enter the names of famous people, such as Messi playing basketball, and it does an impressive job of capturing their likeness in the artwork. However, sometimes it struggles a bit with fingers and limbs, which is a common challenge faced by AI art models. Since Lexicon is an online tool, you can also use it on your desktop. Another option is to upload an image as a reference for the AI, and it will generate artwork similar to the reference image. The guidance scale allows you to specify the level of influence you want from your description. The higher the number, the more creative the AI will become while following your description. Additionally, I'll show you how to create an entire video using this tool later on. Stay tuned!